Hi everybody, it's Fatih again and welcome to my sixth modern system analysis and design tutorial video. In this tutorial video we will see chapter 6, which includes determining system requirements. Okay, let's start. Of course, our learning objectives. Our learning objectives are describe options for designing and conducting interviews and develop a plan for conducting an interview to determine system requirements. Explain the advantages and pitfalls of observing workers and analyzing business documents to determine system requirements. Explain how computing can provide support for requirements determination. Participate in a help plan, a joint application design session. Use prototyping during requirements determination. Understand how requirements determination techniques apply to the development of electronic commerce applications. The process of determining requirements. Okay. Systems analyze characteristics for successful requirements determination. Impertinence, impartiality, relaxing constraints, attention to details, reframing. Deliverables for requirements determination. From interviews and observations, interview transcripts, observation notes, meeting minutes. From existing written documents, mission and strategy statements, business forms, procedure manuals, job descriptions, training manuals, system documentation, flowcharts. From computerized sources, joint application design session results, case repositories, reports from existing systems, displays and reports from system prototype. Traditional methods for determining requirements. Now you see interviewing individuals, interviewing groups, observing workers, studying business documents. Now interviewing and listening. One of the primary ways analysts gather information about an information systems project. Interview guide is a document for developing, planning, and conducting an interview. Guidelines for effective interviewing. Plan the interview. Listen carefully and take notes. Review notes within 48 hours. Be neutral. Seek diverse views. Choosing interview questions. Each question in an interview guide can include both verbal and non-verbal information. Open-ended questions. Questions that have no prescribed answers. Closed-ended questions. Questions that ask those responding to choose from among a set of specific responses. Interviewing groups. Drawbacks to individual interviews. Interview several key people together. Advantages, disadvantages. A facilitated process that supports idea generation by groups. Process. NGT exercise used to complement group meetings or as part of GAD effort. Directly observing users. Direct observation. Watching users to do their jobs, obtaining more first-hand and objective measures of employee interaction with information systems can cause people to change their normal operating behavior. Time-consuming and limited time to observe. Analyzing producers and other documents. Document analysis. Review of existing business documents can give a historical and formal view of system requirements. And that's all. Types of information to be discovered. Problems with existing system. Opportunity to meet new need of organized direction. Names of key individuals, values of organization, special information processing circumstances, reasons for current system design, rules for processing data. Useful document written work procedure. For an individual or work group, describes how a particular job or task is performed, includes data and information used and created in the process. Potential problems with procedure documents. You can see may involve duplication of effort, have missing procedures, be out of date, contradict information obtained through interviews. Now, formal systems. The official way a system works as described in organizational documentation. An information system is the way a system actually works. Useful document. Business form. Used for all types of business functions. explicitly indicate what data flow in and out of a system and data necessary for the system to function. Gives crucial information about the nature of the organization. Useful document report. Primary output of current system enables you to work backwards from the report to the data needed to generate it. And the other useful document, description of current information system. Joint application design brings together key users, managers, and system analysts. Purpose: collect system requirements simultaneously from key people, conducted offsite. Group support systems facilitate sharing of ideas and voicing of opinions about system requirements. Case tools. System prototypes. Joint application design. Now generally I will explain it more detailedly. Intensive group oriented requirements determination technique. Team members meet in isolation for an extended period of time. Highly focused, resource intensive, started by IBM in 1970s. You can see an illustration of the typical room layout for GAD. Now GAD participants. Session leader facilitates group process. Users active speaking participants. Managers active speaking participants. Sponsor high level champion limited participation. System analyst should mostly listen. Scribe record session activities. IS staff should mostly listen. And end result. Documentation detailing existing system. Features of proposed system. Case tools during JET. Uppercase tools are used. Enables analysts to enter system models directly into case during the JET session. Screen designs and prototyping can be done during GAD and shown to users. Using prototyping during requirements determination. Quickly converts requirements to working version of system. Once the user sees requirements converted to system, will ask for modifications or will generate additional requests. Most useful when user requests are not clear, when few users are involved in the system, when designs are complex and require constraint from, when history of communication problems between analysts and users, when tools are readily available to build prototype. And drawbacks: tendency to avoid formal documentation, difficult to adapt to more general user audience, sharing data with other systems is often not considered, system development lifecycle (SDLC) checks are often bypassed. Now, radical methods for determining system requirements. BPR, business process re-engineering. Search for and implementation of radical change in business processes to achieve breakthrough improvements in products and services. And goals: reorganize complete flow of data in major sections of an organization, eliminate unnecessary steps, combine steps, become more responsive in future change. Identification of processes to re-engineer. Key business processes. There are three parts. First, structured, measured set of activities designed to produce specific output for a particular customer for market, focused on customers and outcome. Same techniques were used for requirements determination. Disruptive technologies. Information technologies must be applied to radically improve business processes. Disruptive technologies are technologies that enable the breaking of long-held business rules that inhibit organizations from making radical business changes. Table. Now, requirements determination using agile methodologies. Continual user involvement, agile user-centered design, the planning game. Agile user-centered design steps. Here are steps. Gather group of programmers, analysts, users, testers, facilitators. Document complaints of current system. Determine important user roles. Determine prioritize and describe tasks for each user role. Group similar tasks into interaction contexts. Associate each interaction context with a user interface for the system and prototype the interaction context. Step through and modify the prototype. Now the planning game from extreme programming, you see. Electronic commerce applications, determining system requirements. Determining system requirements for Pine Valley Furniture's web store. System layout and navigation characteristics, web store and site management system capabilities, customer and inventory information, system prototype evaluation. Now we finished our chapter and we complete our objectives. I hope you learned lots of information. I hope it will be useful for you. If you have still questions, you can send us email and I will try to back to you. Thanks for watching and listening to me. I hope we will see each other on the next tutorial. See you later. Goodbye. Have a nice day.